You could see that the market is actually still at a chaotic phase because your Wall Street bets, your GME, your Bitcoin, all of the companies that are related or social media chatter about all the things happening is actually still huge. Last week, you've seen a day wherein Robinhood and IBKR, a lot of companies were not able, a lot of brokerage firms, platform-based, it's about the platform. If you were a Robinhood or if you were an IBKR client, you couldn't actually buy, you can only sell. You were not allowed to buy GME, AMC, NOC, amongst others. In fact, as early as Friday, like basically last during this weekend, we even saw an abominable thing wherein Robinhood even banned 50 more companies or restricted the trading, including HIMS, IPOE, Starbucks, GM, Beyond Meat. I mean, it's been AMD. If you took a look at the list that Robinhood published, it's a little bit weird. So it's been really a laughing stock right now for everyone on how Robinhood has been handling this entire thing and really not protecting its most important client, which is really the Robinhood clients. If you actually study it, the problem is about the conflict of interest because one of their largest clients, they make money on the order flow. And the payment on the order flow goes to Citadel, which unfortunately is likely the client who's losing billions and billions of dollars on the GME. Melvin Capital discussed that it has already closed their shorts and lost $5 million and closed it. However, I'm not sure why the short float right now on GME still remains about 110%, which means that there still remains other hedge funds who did not close. And so you're seeing the disruption in the market happen because a lot of Robinhooders and even some people who are also trading inside some apps, although IBKR already said that they don't have liquidity issue, that's why they actually stopped the trading. It's really more of IBKR chairman Thomas Peterfy saying that he's just afraid of the integrity of the markets and he's more afraid of the smaller entities without naming the smaller entity. But I think that IBKR was roughly talking about Robinhood. Within the week, actually, Robinhood raised $1 billion from several investors, likely to stop anyone from actually, getting afraid of how the Robinhood shares are going to be happening. However, the exodus has actually started. Take a look at Wall Street Bets. You're seeing that a lot of people have already exodus and left their Robinhood accounts and went to Fidelity. For what it's worth, this morning I called it Fidelity. I wanted to make sure that my extended hours trading was enabled in my account. It took 90 minutes on hold to get through. Apparently, they are all slammed over at Fidelity. She said that at Robinhood, all of this stuff at Robinhood cost them to have 700% daily volume for transferring accounts, which is quite amazing. So, in fact, there's really an exodus you are seeing, and something that we said in our Free Friday class, we felt that the beneficiary of all these things is actually SoFi, social finance. And social finance and Bitcoin was actually a beneficiary because some people might actually want to be less controlled by the platforms. And you could see that was actually something that exactly happened. Our theory that IPOE and BTC was going to be a beneficiary last Friday actually happened. From morning till night. It was a gap up all the way. So IPOE started 22, which was a gap up from this $20, and it rallied as high as 26, 27, only to close at 25. More importantly, IPOE here is already more on the all-time highs. So it is very clear that Chamath's IPOE said that they are willing to actually get as many clients as possible who are worried on their Robinhood accounts. Let's take a look at Anthony Noto, the CEO of SoFi. Anthony Noto is a Twitter account of the CEO of SoFi. He's a previous Twitter COO. Says here on January 31, some peeps asked me about the social feature of SoFi Invest. See if you can follow. You can now own, watch, buy, and sell to get your investing idea, sort of like a digital investing club. You can always opt out. So it's something like this. So let's say you've got these holdings. You can see your percent allocation. And then social finance even allows you to talk to other people, kind of like a stock twits, I suppose. So here they are always saying that it's a very clean interface. The app is so well. This is social finance, still going through it, but I love what I see so far. There's an awesome feature, and one of the reasons, which is why I will be joining SoFi. SoFi allows you to also buy your Bitcoin. So SoFi also allows crypto. Thank you for your feedback. The screenshot is SoFi social feature. You can follow all the investors on SoFi, see what they own, what they're buying and selling in order to find new investment ideas, or just see what action the other peeps are taking. Sort of a digital investing. That's great. You could see the follow screen. I wonder if SoFi actually is open to non-Americans. So let's take a look whether it is. Social finance is an app, guys, a mobile app. But let's see if we can see if Filipinos is Filipino allowed. Because I'm Filipino, I'm not American. Social finance trading app is Filipino. Is Philippines allowed? Wait, trying to see if they said that it's just Americans only, or is it like for everyone? So far, I think I need to go to social finance app herself. Either way, guys. So let's take a look at what they're saying. Look, the interface, guys, looks great. And I like the fact that this platform even allows you to follow other people. So the other company that actually allows people to see what other portfolios are doing is already eToro. My constant problem with eToro is that the fees are high. I wonder how much the fees are with social finance. So those are my questions. How much are the fees? Is it so let's see nga. It's kind of weird, right? I can't enter their platform. Let's see. Social finance trading platform. So see, SoFi. The best social trading platforms 5 days ago. Democratization of finance. So best brokers in the world, says here Interactive Brokers, TD Ameritrade, Pepperstone Group, eToro. I would say for me, personally, it's still Interactive Brokers because of the margin and the ability to have all the OTCs and the SPACs. So we'll see. Doesn't have a lot of ideas written here so far. We'll see. I'll go to the social finance website myself. Linktree. So far, I know that SoFi even pays you $50. So there's referral links. For IBKR, they pay $200. If you use my referral link, which I shared in my so I have a referral link. I shared my brother's referral link, and my own referral link is already used up. I can only refer as a maximum of 15 people. So I've already maxed out referring 15 people. So I get $200 per client who funds, and then the person who also opens her account, also gets as much as $1,000 of free IBKR shares. So it's dependent on commission. So just read up on the rules there. But interesting companies. Interesting brokerage firms as well to transfer to after this Robinhood goofball. So